Well, good Friday afternoon. This is Rich, and the markets ended up the week fairly strong, led by the soybean market. We did hear talk yesterday, last night, this morning about export business out of the Gulf, and that certainly brought another round of fun buying back into the markets here today, as well as some end user buying. Talk also that the overnight buying in soybean oil futures was strong, really kind of the leader in the whole bunch. So did see the bean market end up the week fairly strong, and in fact May beans did lose 8 1/4 cents on the week, but still a pretty decent week all things considered. May corn down 26.5 cents. May wheat Chicago down 17 3/4. May Kansas City wheat down 11 cents, while May cotton up 2.15 here this week. Also, some of the outside markets, crude oil, the May contract down 80 cents, and the Dow down 131 points here on the week. So all in all, it ended up a little better this week than what we had expected here just a couple of days ago. One other thing of note here going into the weekend, that soybeans, the spec funds, as of today's report, currently holding 201,000 contracts long position in soybeans. That is an all-time record on the commitment of traders reports that come out every Friday afternoon. So I'm not sure what to make of that. You could, if you're a bear, you would say that the funds are holding the biggest position they've ever held. Then the likelihood is that at some point in time they're going to be sellers. So certainly you have to consider that a risk. And once again, we're in the upper 13s right now in nearby beans. So these are very, very good levels over the last couple of years, and certainly would warrant probably getting out of some of these old positions if you've got any left. The weaker dollar certainly did help commodities here as well today. Here going home, we've got May corn up 2 cents at the end of the day at 646.5. December up 1 3/4 at 557.5. May soybeans up 16 1/4 at 1365 3/4. November soybeans up 10 3/4 at 1322.5. December cotton down 0.24 at 88.71. September rice up 20.5 points at 1509.50. The July Chicago wheat up 9 cents at 664.5. Minneapolis September up 9 1/2 at 795. Kansas City July up 10 1/4 at 702 1/4. I did mention the dollar. It was down about 1/2 point today. Crude oil up $1.46 at 106.81. Gold up $20 an ounce at 16.62. The Dow up 31 points at 13.032. The only real negative markets were the livestock markets. April live cattle down 75 cents at 124.50. The feeders in the April contract down 107 at 152.52, and April lean hogs down 32 cents at 85.07. Well, we hope everyone has a good day. Next week we'll have the big reports, the March 1 stocks report, also the prospective plannings report. If you read the Outlook tonight, we talk a lot about those reports and show some possibilities when we look ahead for ending stocks next year, kind of based on what some of the acreage guesses are that we're looking at. Also have the weather maps in there, the updated 6 to 10, 8 to 14 day maps, all look for above normal temperatures still, so that's another good thing as far as an early spring goes. Have a good weekend.